to my channel. This is I am the Red Rider Power Ranger. As you can see, I'm wearing the prototype season 1. This is my outro. This is the prototype suit. Basically, I bought a morph suit. I put on my season 1 gear. I got the Bluetooth, the Cena Bluetooth called Zord on. Basically, my channel, I want to just do some mods to my Megazord, which is here.
Can we see the Megazord?
I'm sure the Megazord. Brace yourself. This right here. It's the Megazord.
Turn it on.
It's a Honda CBR500R. When I first got this bike, everything was stock. Stock mufflers. So, going into season 2, I got tank sticker. I got my seat, what the fuck is it called again? Seat
Mesh.
net. I just got some handlebars that came in, but I gotta figure out how to put this shit in. Shit's so hard to put in, so it's so hard. I got hooked up to my battery tender right now. It's so hard to get this shit out, but don't worry, season 2, it will be here. I will have the new handlebars on. Gotta get some levers. Yeah, just now, I'll turn on just now. Get some custom made levers, but I have to order some special ones because levers is something you don't want to fuck with. Gonna get a dash cam, put it right here, go cam. Should also hook up to my helmet when I come off so it could record as I walk around as a Power Ranger. Now I know what you want to do, you want to hear the Megazord roar. Alright, I hear you. Okay, so we're gonna do this, but I gotta crack the Mega Cave open because we have someone in the basement, we don't want to die. As you can see, I have the Mega Tumbler outside. Let's turn this on. Ready to hear this? And he makes their power now!
Alright, get him a space.
Last thing I want to say about this video, that modifications are not finished yet. This off season, what just came in, I got my reflective rim sticker, you can see. And soon my Lucius Fox. To my arrow. The Cisco to my flash. Will help me put on these rim stickers around here. And handlebars and the lever and the dash cam. And we're ready to ride. Alright Jason, wrap it up.